Hey my love bugs, so today I decided to come on here and do a huge video because I received a massive package in the mail, and this is the box, and it is from donnamax, which is a beauty and skincare company. They sell all types of different beauty products at an affordable price. Now, the things that they sold me, oh my goodness. So the first thing that stood out to me was it's a magic makeup remover mitt. Try to say that 10 times fast. All you need is water, and it's super soft microfiber. So you basically water, scrub your face, and it's so soft. Feels like one of those really fluffy blankets. So you know you're not gonna scrape your skin and hurt yourself. Got cosmetic applicators, the really big Q-tip swabs. Oh my gosh, and it's 100 in a pack. You could use this for like when you mess up your wing that you gotta like touch it up real quick, or even like to apply lip gloss and you want to do it in a sanitary way, or if you're doing someone's makeup and you want to put eyeshadow on them, you could actually use this as an applicator. So that way it's sanitary and you're not getting other people's bacteria in your products. So now the one thing that really stood out to me, that I was just like, this is a body blending sponge. Now you guys know I create these crazy looks that I need to cover large areas of my body. Now, this hasn't even been expanded yet. Look how big this is. So when it's expanded, it's probably going to be like around here. And it's to get all the big curves of your body. So that way you could do bigger looks. You can apply self-tanner, bronzer in larger areas. So it's perfect. Now these are super freaking cute. These are the silicone beauty blenders. And they're glittery. This is perfect, honestly, for Christmas. This one is actually textured, and I see that it's flat on one side, so that's like perfect for this area when you're doing your concealer, obviously for foundation. And this is like the perfect stocking stuffer. Honestly, I can't wait to use these. I'm not sharing with nobody, sorry. Now for those who have used a silicone beauty blender before, know that you can put less product on this rather than a spongy beauty blender. A little bit goes a long way on one of these, because these beauty blenders do not absorb the product. So you're getting more of the product on your face rather than getting absorbed in your sponge, and then you have to keep pumping your foundation or your concealer. Now this I like. This beauty blender here that they sent me is actually latex free. There's a lot of people who are allergic to latex. So something that does not have latex is perfect to apply their foundation, so they won't get an allergic reaction on their face, because there's a lot of products, especially in the beauty industry, that have latex in it. So I think this is really nice. Now with these two, they're super dense. So by super dense, it grabs when a brush is more dense, it grabs more product, and it's so soft. You would think that because it has more fibers, it's like super heavy and the handle's heavy. It's super lightweight, and it actually grabs more of your product. So I got a blush brush and an eyeshadow brush. They also sent me a really gorgeous oval brush set. These are ideal for applying contour, foundation, highlight, and you could even use the thinner one to do your eyebrows. Super cute. And let's see how they feel. Wow, these are super soft. So the whole point of oval brush sets like this with the curved handle is to mimic, this is supposed to mimic a person's finger, to apply a seamless airbrushed kind of look. And it's supposed to be able to hit all the curves in your face without it streaking or looking funny. I'm definitely going to be doing a look with these soon. I used to use brushes like this. I haven't bought myself a set in a while, and I'm really happy that I got these, because I used to, when I first started doing makeup on my face, I started with an oval brush set. So I haven't bought one in a really long time, but can't wait to start doing looks with these. Now I also got, which is how I discovered this name brand, is the eyelashes. Now what I like about this company, their eyelashes come in bulk. So for 6 pairs of eyelashes, you get tons of different styles. It's not like they're sending you like just one style and that's it. No, you have enhancing, defining, volumizing, dramatic, intensifying, and lengthening. And it comes with a lash glue. And as you guys know, I've used these lashes before in a couple of looks. Now, this I thought was really pretty. It's like super sleek, and it is a 1 to 2 time magnifying cosmetic mirror duo. Now, this is gonna get a lot of use. Okay, so this is a blackhead and whitehead extractor. Now, you may not see it, but I get a lot of blackheads. Where do I get them? On my nose area. So I actually had an old set of blackhead extractors. So this is amazing for when you do like a steam on your face just to loosen up your pores, or you're fresh out of a hot shower. And this little tool, it like puts a pressure right there in that circular area, and it pops the blackheads and the whiteheads out. And you could either use the bigger side or the smaller side. Both are awesome. Now this is really awesome. It's from the same name brand, Revlon, and it's a makeup brush cleaning mat. Now this is so freaking cute. It's a rubber mat that you just slap onto the sink, slap inside the sink, and let the water run on it. You can clean your brushes, like apply whatever soap or liquid it is that you like to put on them, and scrub on here. It has tons of different ridges to clean them nice and squeaky. I had one that was like super small. This, for someone who has like a crap ton of brushes like me, this will come in handy. What I also got from Spa Savvy is a facial cleaning brush. This is ideal for taking off dead skin cells. You can use it while you're in the shower or in the morning when you're brushing your teeth. You just in circular motion, bang, done. Brando, Baby Soft. These makeup remover wipes, girl, this has retinol in it. Retinol is a key component to anti-aging, to fix wrinkles, to rebuild elasticity in your skin, help with dark spots. So the fact that you're taking off your makeup and putting this on your skin, perfect. It's like doing an anti-aging cream and taking off your makeup all in one, which is pretty awesome. I really can't wait to use these. And the packaging is super cute. So what I found really cool too was that I got a Dead Sea treatment mask. And it says here, why are Dead Sea minerals so good for me? One of the natural wonders of the world is the Dead Sea, which is 1,200 feet below sea level. The Dead Sea water contains 32% salts with a concentration of 21 minerals, such as magnesium, calcium, bromide, and potassium. So these are all things that are really good for your skin. And it's facial therapy for all skin types. pH balanced, hypoallergenic. Ooh, and it's to moisturize, firm, and rejuvenate. Yes, girl. And the last thing that I got as a bonus, I got 3 different types of tweezers. Perfect. These I would use to apply my lashes. These I usually tweeze my eyebrows with, and then these little ones I get like the really small hairs because I don't wax my eyebrows. I'm trying to avoid wrinkles at all costs, girl. Like, no. Not over here. Not over here. So I only tweeze my eyebrows. But I like these little suckers for those really tiny, stubborn hairs that you gotta like really get in there and like clap. These get them. And these are super cute. Look at the pattern. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and I'm going to leave their information in the description box so that you guys can check it out. Once again, the name of the company is donnamax, and they're located in Brooklyn, New York, but they have a website. So I'm going to put everything down in the description box. Check them out. Follow them on Instagram.